Hello gamers, Gigi. You know what? I've got something for you. One of the latest graphics cards, the Asrock Intel Arc B580 12GB OC edition. This card is totally perfect for 1080 pixels to 1440 pixels, gamers and content creators. Amazing performance in productivity tasks like video editing or AI rendering thanks to XMX support. Also with XeSS 2.0, this is gonna deliver smooth gaming. And it also supports modern APIs like Vulkan, DirectX 12 Ultimate and ray tracing. Come on, let's do the unboxing now. You see this bold challenger branding? And over here the new Intel Arc B580 graphics logo. This is so beautiful, right? This is an OC edition, guys. And you'll find all the core features over here. Everything is highlighted. Intel XeSS 2.0, XMX matrix extensions, ray tracing, and DirectX 12 Ultimate support. Now let's see what's inside the box. Wow, the graphics card is securely packed with all this foam padding. How decently this is covered in an anti-static cover. The moment you take out this graphics card, you see this dual fan. Such a beautiful design with striped axial fan blades. This is gonna give some amazing cooling, guys, and a stylish metal backplate with a cute Asrock branding. Now coming to the specifications of this, you get a GPU clock of 2740 MHz, a memory clock of 19 GB per second, and 12 GB GDDR6 VRAM with a 192-bit memory interface. And also the architecture of this is built on Intel Xe2 HPG, guys. Now coming to the key features, it's got XeSS 2.0, which is Xe super sampling, which helps you with amazing frame rate. And then it's also got Intel XMX, that is Xe matrix extensions for amazing AI acceleration too. Also you're gonna get support for DirectX 12 Ultimate, ray tracing and AV1 hardware encoding too. So this has got 1x8 power connector, which means it would require a power supply of 650 watts. Now come on, look at this. This has got one HDMI 2.1A port and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 ports. Now let me tell you the cooling and build features of this. Now since this has got dual fan, it's gonna have a great airflow, and oh my god, this is my favorite, it's got 0 decibel silent cooling mode during low load. And as you see with this striped axial fan design, it's also gonna improve the static pressure of this. Also it has got an LED indicator over here to show the power status. And one more thing, this has got super alloy components for durability, and this metal background adds rigidity and style too. Now if you want to see all this, you can come for a live demo, and I will be available at Vishal Computech Begumpet store. So what are you waiting for? This beast is available at all our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computech stores at Secunderabad, Ameerpet, Begumpet and Visakhapatnam and Vijayawada also. And let me tell you a secret, this is just priced at 27,750 rupees exclusively on our website. So how did you like this video? Let me know in the comments. Also subscribe, share and like the video for more updates on graphics cards, the build, benchmarks and all. Also tell me, would you like a full benchmark or build features of this? Then let me know that also in the comments, yes or no. So stay tuned for more updates from Vishal Computech.